We're gonna record it again. Eric's not here. He's gonna come back in a little. He just went to a store. Alright, come on, Mario. I'm doing it with Mario. Stay over here, Mario. You got coconut or baby wipes again. Mario, stay over here.
Okay. We're gonna get this one.
Okay, that's coconut or baby wipes. You have to swallow it. Remember, here's a watering case. Good, bad. Not that good, not that bad.
I guess baby wipes.
It's not that bad, huh?
I know.
Alright, he got baby wipes. Lime or long clippings? I'm going for this little fella right here. Lime or long clippings? I got lime! Dude, my third time getting lime. I got lime 3 times in a row. Licorice or skunk spray?
I'm gonna this one.
Hey! Eat it. Good, bad?
Licorice.
Nah, it's not licorice. I can smell your breath. It's not licorice, dude.
Because I did other ones.
I can smell your breath. It smells like skunk spray.
I know.
Alright, drink your water if you need to. Alright, it's my turn.
It's good, actually.
I know it's not that bad, but the smell is bad, but the taste not that bad. Juicy pear or booger? I haven't tried booger yet. Alright, let's look at this one. Juicy pear. Moldy caramel corn or moldy cheese?
I'll go for this one.
Alright. You gotta spit it out.
Oh.
What apartment are you looking for?
Go.
Alright.
Oh.
No, half and half. Dang, I can't get a good spin. Rotten egg or buttered popcorn? I'm worried. I'm so worried. Alright, it's this one, right?
I had to be a food with my mom said I had to put it in my house.
Huh?
My mom said I had to put it in my house.
Why? Why?
I don't know. She said that you're gonna waste it all, and I want another one. That's what she thinks.
No, just tell her we're not gonna waste it all.
Yeah, but she won't believe
Alright,
me.
this one.
I've been gone out for 3 minutes.
No. It stopped recording. Alright, this one. It's buttered popcorn or rotten egg.
You want me to get grounded?
Hold on a second.
Nah, you threw
Hey,
it.
you spit out like 3.
Hold on a second.
I got all good ones except 2.
Okay, I'm going. One more time.
Dog food or chocolate pudding? It's brown. Here. That's like the only one.
Please be good, God, please.
You got dog food. Oh, you got it?
Yeah, Bat19.com.
Alright, give me that one and then you get this one. So me and Mario will have it. Give me that! Give it!
Give it.
I'll just, no, oh, you know what we can do?
Oh,
Just keep that one in your house, keep this one here, and then we'll say that the one didn't come today, so it's gonna come tomorrow. And then I'll give you this one tomorrow.
you're gonna waste a whole jelly bean.
No, I'm not.
Come on, I don't want to get mad. I don't want to get grounded, please. I'm begging you.
Who cares?
Plus,
dude?
Henry's a fast shopper. I'm gonna go be back.
fast what?
Chopper.
Where'd you go anyways?
I'm going to Costco.
You're barely going?
Yeah.
I thought
Real
you
quick,
weren't.
come on, real quick.
That's so cool.
Trust me, I will.
Wait, let me get my jalebi ones. I know which ones are mine.
Let me get the green one at least.
This one. This one. Because I bended mine. And then they have little cracks in
I'm
them.
gonna try this one.
No,
all of
Try this one, try this one, try this one. You're a party pooper, Eric.
Yeah, I said sorry to be a party pooper when I came.
You did? Ah!